Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to engine swap a Ford Ranger. Many enthusiasts choose to upgrade their Ranger's powertrain for more power or better efficiency. We'll cover popular engine choices, the critical components you'll need, and important modifications to consider. Our goal is to help you navigate this exciting project with confidence, providing practical tips for a successful and rewarding outcome. When selecting a new engine for your Ford Ranger, the 5.0-liter V8 is a highly favored option, known for its robust power output. For those seeking a blend of performance and fuel economy, a 2.3-liter turbocharged engine can be an excellent alternative. If maximum torque is your priority, larger engines such as the 5.8-liter V8 or even certain diesel powerplants are viable, though they often require more extensive modifications. Your choice should align with your desired performance and your comfort level with fabrication. A successful engine swap hinges on having the right components. Often, sourcing a complete donor vehicle, like one with a 5.0-liter V8, simplifies acquiring matching drivetrain parts, wiring, and the engine computer. Custom engine mounts are almost always required, along with a transmission that can handle the new engine's power. You'll also need to address the fuel system, cooling, and exhaust, ensuring proper fitment and function. Don't forget a modified driveshaft to accommodate any length changes. For a smoother installation, consider a dry run of your engine and transmission to verify clearances before final assembly. Always ensure the transmission is securely supported when the engine is out. If you have an automatic, remember to unbolt the torque converter from the flex plate before separating the engine and transmission to prevent damage. After installation, meticulously test all systems, including the cooling, fuel, electrical, and especially the brakes and steering, to ensure everything operates safely and correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.